ดีค่ะ Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai, and today I'm gonna show you 5 ways to cook your roti. The original one, the one with an egg, the one with the cheese, the one with Nutella banana, and the one with the curry. I got the roti dough that I made last night and let it rest overnight. If you want to see the recipe of how to make this one, go check the another vlog. I already post that one. And we got condensed milk, we got Nutella, sugar, margarine, butter, banana, egg, and oil. And that is pretty much what you need. If you can find a flat pan, that's amazing too. So all right, we're gonna start with me wearing a glove. We're gonna do the original one first. Original one only need roti, condensed milk, and sugar. That's original ones. Crispy and very easy to make. And this one, I think now it probably 7 baht. When I was a kid, this only cost 5 baht. We'll see how the dough turn out overnight. So we're gonna apply oil on our pan, our surfaces, the one we're gonna flip them. And using our palm, press it out and gently spread it out. We're not professional, so we're not gonna try do something extreme. Gentle. And add olive oil, a lot of olive oil, to make sure the oil is nice and hot first. But we're not gonna use this much oil. We're gonna heat the oil, heat the pan, make sure it's hot all over the pan, and then we're gonna scoop the oil out. It's dusty today, windy, so the wind is splashing the dirt, the dust. All right, here's our roti. Gonna lift it up. I'm gonna put it here. This is original one. And now we add margarine butter for nice smell. One on top and one underneath. One underneath. You want to make it circle, you can make it circle now. I mean like square. This is where you fix it. Oh, the sun is out. The sun is out. We're gonna low to medium heat. If you want it crispy, then leave them a little bit longer. More butter on top if you want. Okay, now turn. We're gonna flip it over. Come closer. We're gonna flip the pan over. If you want it to be more golden brown over here, you can flip it back more. Yeah. Pressing it down. Make sure it get everywhere. Okay. I think that's is pretty much it. Meanwhile, we're gonna move to here, but I'm gonna keep add the oil in here to make sure the oil keep heated, the pan keep heated, hot oil. All right, come have a look at this. Nice and crispy, golden brown. I'm gonna cut it with spatula, or you can use knife if you prefer, to small pieces, just like that. Or you can just using your hand to just like flap it. Just cut it on here. We got our original one. Need condensed milk on top. Condensed milk. I put condensed milk in the fridge so it's a little bit cold. So this is the reason why we put 2 holes. I'm gonna show you how to get the condensed milk out when it's thick. You blow on top of the hole. That sounds weird. Like that. And the condensed milk will come out. And then the sugar. Look at this. But don't do this if you wanna sell. Don't do this in front of the customer. They're gonna run away. So our original one is ready. Now the pan is hot. We're gonna take the oil out. Pour the oil out. Spread it out. Okay, so they have two techniques to flat the dough. The first technique is the simple technique like me, using my hand to press it down gently. The second one is use the rolling to roll it down. The third one is to do like professional, which is like use your hand, one up, this facing up, this hand facing down, and then sort of flip it. It sounds easy, but it's not. I try, it doesn't work. And because of this one is egg, so we're gonna add the egg right away, and use this one just to like spread the egg. Now the egg one might not be as crispy as the original one, because obviously there's egg, so you're gonna have that nice soft taste sort of it. And now add the margarine butter, one on top. Oh. And one underneath. Doesn't want to come out. One underneath. And flip. Whoa. Okay, ready. Move our egg here. Nice and soft. Moving to this plate. This one only topping with the condensed milk and sugar too. We got two. Now we're gonna do the one with banana and Nutella. Cut the banana. Not sure if you can use it all. If you can find the banana like darker than this, like have a little bit black on it, a little bit though, not too much, it would be great. Oh, so tiny. Add our our banana, just a few. Press it down, and then tuck this part, tuck it in. Normally, if you have a proper pan and you know the technique of how to roll this one, it will be so easy for you guys. So you have to cover the banana with the roti. But in this one, because it's I'm using a wok, so I don't get what I want. Same. This is the flavor you're gonna get, like margarine butter. Let's flip. Let's see if it's ready. Oh yeah, this is what you need. Nearly burned, crispy brown. Thailand is hot weather, so the Nutella is like melts so nice. Ooh. But this one we're gonna add it in the pan, in the plate right away, because it has banana underneath. A generous amount of the Nutella goes a long way. More condensed milk. Okay, and now sprinkle with sugar. A little bit. Oh, diabetes calling me. All right, now we have two more to go. This one I'm gonna make is the cheese roti. I have never tried cheese roti before, but my camera girl said the cheese roti is very good. Me, I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm not into that. But anyway, we're gonna try. We're gonna add our roti in. And the cheese. This one is cheddar cheese. If you can get the cheddar cheese, the cheddar is better, but because I'm looking everywhere and all I could find is this cheese, but I got a very good brand, so hopefully it's still gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna add like 3 of them. Yeah, it's already starting to melt. Should we cover this one? I want to cover as much cheese as possible, so when I flip it won't get can burn underneath. This one gonna be quite small but very thick, so I need to deep fry good. Actually, there's a lot of oil underneath there. We're gonna add margarine on top and underneath. Now we're gonna like a deep fry it. Okay. The cheese one is very tiny, like outside of my palm. The cheese is now coming out. Let's see it closer. The cheese is now coming out. So, see how it turned out. I'm gonna drain the oil out and the butter out. Oops. Oh, very crispy, very crispy. Top it up with condensed milk. Roti, sweet dessert, it always had to add the condensed milk and sugar. But as you prefer, you know, if you try to lose weight, you don't want to eat condensed milk and sugar, then it's fine. But then you're gonna miss the like a good stuff. Last one would be a little bit different from here. Add the oil in and get our dough. And now this one will be different. How? Because same technique, we spread the roti, but then at the end we're gonna do something different. We're gonna lift the roti, but we're not gonna try to make it round. We're gonna make it like circle, like this. Circle like this. Circle like this, and then press it down. We're gonna make two of them. So one go in like that. Press it with butter. And make sure it's crispy. Flip. Oh, look at that. Now this one have nice and round circle. When you tear it apart, it comes in two nice little pieces, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, come and look at that. Nice golden brown, and that's pretty much it. That's done. We're gonna press it on the side like this to get the extra oil out, and that is done. We got our roti. All done with the roti 5-way. We're gonna start from the main course, which is the curry with the roti. Here, come and look at the roti. We're gonna tear it apart. Come and have a look. So this is what the texture you want. See, you're gonna fold out like that. Here, the one that's not hot for me. It's like that. See? Alright. Me, myself, I don't like it that much. So we got red curry over here. Panang Thai,นะคะ. Panang Thai. Let's see. We're dipping the red curry and we're gonna try. The dough, when it comes like this, it's not as crispy as a dessert. Very good combination. Moving on into the original. This is one of my favorite when I was a kid. Original. When I was a kid, this one only 5 baht. 5 baht only. I don't know how much the roti costs like original by now. โรตีแบบว่าตามตลาดตอนเนี้ยธรรมดาเท่าไหร่7 บาท 7 baht. So let's try. Very sweet, sticky, crispy, and sweet. Very good. Wow, the dough is so good. I give this one 9 out of 10. Why 9 out of 10? Because last night I made the earlier video about making the dough. Amazingly, I let the dough rest just like for 1 hour. After marinade and massaging everything, I let the dough rest, and I had it right away, fresh, like 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10. This one 9 out of 10. The dough is not that fresh. It tastes like the one in the market. So let's try this one with an egg. The egg one might not be as crispy as it would be without the egg, but we're still gonna give it a try. Kids will love this one. With an egg, condensed milk and sugar. It's very fulfilling. You can smell the nice smell out of the egg, like a scramble. And then a little bit soft from the roti, it's not crispy. And crunch from the sugar. If you don't like that crunch, don't add the sugar in. Me personally, I love it. Next one is the cheese. Now I'm lactose intolerant, but I'm willing to try this one for you. Let's see if I pick one up, is it gonna be cheesy or not? Oh, that cheese. Oh, maybe I have the little one. Lactose intolerant me. Look at that cheese in the middle. Let's try. Hopefully I'm gonna be okay. Wow. Never tried it before, but I know why people love it. One more. It's the salty from the cheese, creamy from the cheese, the crispy of the roti, and the milky aroma from the milky flavor from the roti and the cheese. I'm dying. I might have one more. I will literally have one more bite. Last but not least, Nutella banana, my favorite of all time. If I have to choose between to have two roti, what would I choose? Is banana Nutella and the original one, the one that I will go for. So let's try the banana Nutella. Might not look as good as you buy from the lady, but I try my best. Yeah, we'll get a little piece, little piece, banana underneath here. Doesn't look like professional, but still will do. Nothing could go wrong with the roti and banana and Nutella. Wow. Let me enjoy this flavor. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because I don't really like the egg smell. I don't like egg in the sweet dessert like this. Like this, like a scrambled egg with condensed milk. But don't get me wrong, it's still very good. It's just based on my experience. 8 out of 10. 9 out of 10. This one, I don't really like roti with the curry. 8 out of 10. But still, these dough recipes are very good, and this is a 5 way that you can make roti at home. If you want to get the recipe for the dough, then don't forget to check my last video of how to make the roti. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Until next time, I will see you guys. Bye bye. ให้คะแนนเต็ม10ให้เท่าไหร่
เหมือนเต็มเลย
เหมือนเต็ม she's like
เหมือนเต็มอร่อย
10 out of 10. She's like sort of like 10. มันเป็นยังไง
ก็ดีแกงอร่อย
แกงอร่อยนะฟีมายอังกูเคยกินไหมอย่างนี้
คนจะเคยเนี่ย
ภาคใต้เขากินกันแบบว่าเป็นโรตีแล้วก็เป็นอย่างนี้เป็นยังไง เต็ม 10ไหม
เต็ม
10 out of 10
เต็ม